It was a full day of tourism-based discussions, with major players determining the best way to ensure global tourism benefits small and medium enterprises. The second Global Conference on Jobs and Inclusive Growth, Small and Medium Tourism Enterprises, SMTEs, was born out of the first Global Conference on Jobs and Inclusive Growth held in Jamaica in November 2017. It unfolded again on our island paradise on January 29, 2019, from morning into the night. The formal ceremony went underway with international and local dignitaries all pledging to ensure businesses derive as much as possible from global tourism plans and policies.
80% of global tourism is owned by the small, micro, and medium enterprises and entrepreneurs. But 80% of the returns from tourism go to the 20% of those who invest heavily in it. This very special and momentous conference that is going to help us to do two things. One, to define a path that will enable the vision and indeed the promise of inclusiveness from this great industry of tourism to find a way to be realized. And secondly, for us to look at how we could bring ideas and capital together to create that synergy that enables the transformation from concept and ideas into material goods and services.
When we speak on the necessity to promote tourism, investments in tourism, we need to link it with social cohesion.
For tourism to be sustainable, it has to work for everyone, including our farmers and our entrepreneurs and our entertainers. In light of an expanding tourism and hospitality market, we support every effort to make the industry a truly inclusive one.
The remainder of the day flowed with various breakout sessions back-to-back. Key players pulled seats together to share success stories and lessons learned within the industry. Jamaica's own Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport was also a part of the breakout sessions.
This is a great opportunity for our entertainers or individuals who are involved in the arts and in craft. This is an opportunity for us to discuss how we are going to further enhance their participation within the tourism landscape.
There was also a call for contributions from the Ministry of Tourism's Linkages Network.
In a nutshell, there are a lot of programs that we do, all geared towards ensuring that the SMTE benefits, all geared towards to ensure that the SMTEs take advantage of the programs. We also have a loan facility in which we have put $1 billion in Exim Bank, and we have another facility that we put in JN. The Exim facility looks at loan between $5 million and $25 million. The JN for those that would want $3 million and less, and those are at ridiculous interest rate, talking about 4.5%.
The conference also saw the Organization of American States, OAS, launching a $500,000 project to build the resilience of Caribbean SMTEs to disasters.
It is well known that the Caribbean is among the most tourism-dependent regions in the world. At the same time, there is no other region whose travel and tourism industry is as vulnerable to disasters as the Caribbean.
The project to start this year will be executed over 2 years. It is funded by the United States Department of State and managed by the OAS Secretariat for Integral Development. By close of conference, it was clear tourism must be inclusive. And to ensure this happens, large entities, financiers, and other groups must play an active role.
I think today we have tried to look at a broad spectrum of areas of convergence that need to come together to create the atmosphere and also to create the capacity for small and medium enterprises. We also have to look at how to create within communities the social framework that will enable this to thrive. The requirement of public policy in building out that capacity.